How to create an automatic free shipping discount on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can create the discount for free shipping and let it appear automatically on the checkout. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to visit shopify.com. Then you are simply going to log into your account. After you have set everything from products and the plan, you are going simply to click on this one, which is called discounts on the left sidebar right here. Click on that and it will take you to the this page. We have the some discounts. Now we have the discounts that we have on this page. I'm going simply to deactivate some discounts right here. Let this also deactivate it. And then I'm going simply to create a new discount. We have here different options. We have amount of products. We have here buy X get Y, which is going to let the customers, when for example they have to buy something, they will get something else for free, or they will get for example a certain amount of percentage of the next product. We have amount of order, and we have the shipping discount, which is called free shipping. Offer free shipping on an order. I'm going to select that offer, and here we are going to get to this section. Here we have the discount code, or we have the automatic discount. For the discount code, you are going to put right here a discount. We have here some suggestions from Microsoft Edge, or you can go ahead and change or get a random code right here. This is the code. You can go ahead and copy and spread the code around social media or on emails. It is up to you. Here we have the countries, the selected countries. But first, before we proceed to that, I'm going simply to click on the automatic discount. I'm going to put here on the automatic discount, I'm going to copy this free shipping, and here we have it. For the title, customers will see this in their cart and at checkout. This is called a free shipping. Now, for the countries, you can go ahead and select the countries. If you want to all the countries included, you can set this setting. If you want to select some countries, you are going to click on that, and here we are going to select the countries. Here we have the list of the countries. You can go ahead and select it on, for example, United States or whatever you have. I'm going to set it as international and select all countries. We have here the purchase type. You can go ahead and put that discount for one-time purchase. You can put it for subscriptions or for both. I'm going to let it on one-time purchase. Here we have the shipping rates. You can go ahead and select this or enable this case, exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. You can put it right here and put this excluding the shipping rates, but we are going to give a free shipping, so we don't need that. And here the availability, this discount is automatically applied to all sales channel. This is the option when you click on automatic discount. Now we have the minimum purchase requirements. You can go ahead and set a minimum purchase amount, for example, to make this code appear or to make this offer appear. You can set, for example, $10 like that, or you can set it to 0. I'm going to put it, for example, at $10. And here we have the option also to put the minimum quantity of items if you want to apply this with a condition of buying some items right here. Here we have the amount. I will let it as amount. We have here a combination. Free shipping can be combined with, for example, product discount or an order discount. You can set this with a order or a product discount, or you can set it with both order and order or product discounts. Here we have the description. No product discounts are set to combine to let customers use more than one discount. Here you have to select or create a order discount or a product discount, and then the combination will work properly. And here we have the active dates, so when we are going to activate or when the customers will see the free shipping. Here we have the active dates. We have a start date and a start time. You can set and go ahead and set, for example, a start date. I'm going to put it here, the 22, and the start time. We have CAT time. You can go ahead and set the time. Also, you can set an end date or you can let it here unlimited. When you finish everything here, we have the summary. As you can read, we have a free shipping, type and method, free shipping, automatic, details for online store, free shipping on all products, applies to one-time purchases for all countries, minimum purchase of $10, can't combine with order discounts, activate from June 22. And here we have the performance. It is not activated yet, so I'm going to save the discount and that will activate that discount. As you can see, it is active. Now let's go ahead and try this one and check it for the product page. I'm simply going right here and see that product, for example, in my store, and so we are going to check out. Here I'm going to put this right here like that, and simply I'm going to make an order or add this product to cart. I'm going to deselect these, and here we have it. I'm going to click on add to cart, and simply we are going to see the cart right here. This is not the product that I wanted to see, but I'm going to add this item to the cart, and here we have it. Now let's go ahead and click on checkout in our page, and we will see right here. Here we have the shipping. As you can see, I'm going to put simply something right here, and it will right now going to enter the shipping address. I'm going to put something like that. Let's say that we have some addresses, and then we are going to put some address like that. Like that, it will generate the addresses. I'm going to put something, and as you can see, we have the shipping calculated and it is a free shipping popping off. That was very easy and very simple. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.